this has got access to the net, so net is having everything. Plus you have a nice board with you, so you can write, you can make next page, you can rub it, you can keep it, you can store it, you can refer it.
Writing a long reactions, I have to rub it, and students are not able to write it. So what advantage we have is I can just sweep up or keep it or zoom in, zoom out, and I can write the reaction.
Since biology is a very diagram-based subject, when we use colors and shades of those colors, etc., it is giving them a lot of better understanding.
Even the banned chemical reactions which we are not available, which causes cancer, like benzene, so that I can show easily to the students. It also helps in the chemicals that we use are not wasted, because I am showing a video now, so it's eco-friendly in that way also.
Our work is little less in the class because you can devote more time making them understand once it is there on the board.
My favorite tool is the zoom part. I can easily zoom and I can easily undo so that I don't have to rub it again.
It also helpful to pronunciation exactly. Means whenever we use the pronunciation features, so it will correct pronounce their words.
Students pay a lot of more attention when we use this board instead of the traditional boards, because it's colorful and it's bright and they like learning from the smart boards. So I think it has helped the education field a lot, especially the teachers and the students, both of them.